Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I think a thought is running in your mind, right? Is it possible to make a bag without sewing? Yes, it's definitely possible.
And for this, you don't need any expensive materials. It's possible with only glue and waste cloth.
And to make this bag, first we need to cut any waste cloth into strips. According to my bag size, I'm cutting strips of width 1 centimeter. Cut many strips like this.
Now we need to take a strong base like cardboard and attach one strip, leaving some space from the bottom.
And I'm sticking masking tape in the both edges so that it won't move while working.
And now attaching 6 strips on this base strip, leaving 1.5 centimeter between each.
And cut the remaining strip. Here I am again attaching masking tape at the bottom so that it won't move.
Now we need to start weaving that strip, moving it up and down between each 2 strips.
One strip up and one strip down. We need to fill this total empty space by weaving with so many strips. Like this, we need to fill the total empty space, and I am weaving the last strip.
After weaving, we need to cut the excess strips outside the masking tape.
Cut all the strips to same level on both sides. Now we need to remove all the tapes. Here we need to connect base layer with all the strips so that it won't move outside as we did on the first strip.
Now cut all the remaining strips, leaving a rectangle for our bag.
Now I am attaching a bigger strip overlapping the all four sides. Cover edges of all the four sides with a bigger strip. Now connect any two sides using a strong glue so that the base for the bag will be ready.
For handles, we are using velvet yarn, or you can use wire thick cardboard or anything.
Add one handle on both sides.
To make this extra cute, we were making flower with velvet yarn simply by rolling it.
Roll 2 to 3 times, then cut it and secure the end with glue. I made totally 5 petals and sticking it like a flower on the bag. For pollen, I am rolling white color velvet yarn as we did for petals, and I will stick this in the middle of flower.
That's it, the beautiful bag is ready now. And tell me in the comment section, what will you put in this bag and how will you use it as a return gift, as a birthday gift for your loved ones,